If you want to learn how to make Lightroom presets, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simple desktop method for creating your own preset in Lightroom, so you can save your favorite edits and apply them to other photos in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want a consistent look for your Instagram feed, your portfolio, or your photography workflow. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open Lightroom Desktop and choose the photo you want to edit. Start by getting the image looking exactly how you want it. This is the most important part because your preset is going to save the style of this edit. Adjust the exposure to make the photo brighter or darker. Then fine-tune the contrast to give the image more punch or soften it if needed. After that, move into the color settings and make the tones match the look you want. You can warm up the image, cool it down, boost saturation, or reduce it for a more muted style. Then head over to the effects section and make any final creative changes, like clarity, texture, vignette, or grain. The goal here is simple. Get the exact look you want first. Don't rush this part. Spend a minute refining the photo until it feels right, because this edited version will become the foundation of your preset. Once you're happy with everything, you're ready for the next step. Now go over to the Presets panel in Lightroom. This is where you'll create and manage all of your saved looks. In the Presets area, click the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. From the menu, choose Create Preset. Lightroom will then open a window where you can save your current edit as a reusable preset. Next, give your preset a clear name. Pick something that helps you remember the style, like Soft Warm Tone, Cinematic Look, Bright Clean Edit, or whatever fits your workflow. After that, you'll see a list of settings you can include in the preset. In most cases, you can leave everything checked so the full look gets saved. That way, when you apply the preset later, all of those adjustments will transfer over to your other photos. Once you've named it and confirmed the settings, click Save. Lightroom will store your preset automatically, and you'll find it under User Presets. That means the preset is now ready to use anytime you want to apply the same style to a new image. To use it, just open another photo, go back to the Presets panel, and click your saved preset under User Presets. Instantly, Lightroom will apply the same editing style, giving you a faster and more consistent editing process. So that's how to make a Lightroom preset in just a few simple steps. Edit your photo, save the look, and reuse it whenever you want. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.